Do you want to explain what's going on?
Acrylic pour, as best as we can.
In the middle of the night, no less.
Yes. Our channel name, along with what we're doing.
Powered by Stupid. What are you doing right now? You're painting the canvas?
We're doing tests. So these ones are gonna be tests. I'm just gonna paint a base layer of white, and then the other one's just not gonna have anything.
Yes.
So we can mess up less.
We've seen conflicting results as to whether painting it first is good or not, so we are going to try to paint one and not paint the other for the test. So painted base layer, this is going to stay plain.
Do we have cardboard or anything that we could put down under it?
I was just going to fuck up the table.
Okay. All right.
I mean, it's like an old, cheap table.
What colors should we do? I do want black. Should we have like measuring things or no?
I don't know.
We should have a control cup.
So you're definitely in charge.
That much black. I think it said half this stuff, half paint.
Okay.
I think. Cut this out.
No.
Okay, so I'm gonna do a half-half.
So you just pour them in together and then mix them? I
Yeah?
don't know if half-half is right.
What do you mean?
Just to pour it until, well, you're supposed to like mix it in because you gotta get the consistency right.
Well, this says half-half or double.
Okay. I don't know, I didn't do any research if that's what the internet says.
That's less than half. This is a big stick.
Do you want smaller ones?
No, it's good I broke it. I'm so nervous. It's turning gray. Wait, maybe it's not, I don't know. Yeah, it's turning gray. Wait, I don't know.
This is what you do
Okay,
when the
there it
sun's
is.
out.
It's turning. What?
This is what you do when the sun's out so you can see what color it's changing at all times.
Yeah, the sun.
Or we could use more lights, but I didn't feel like getting more lights. It looks pretty black still.
It looks black still.
Alright. And then they said, now let me pour a little bit more because I've got too much gene in me.
Gene.
Too much gene.
It's a Jenna Marbles reference she keeps making that I don't understand.
Oh, it's the gene.
Why don't you understand?
I mean, I
cook
get it, I
things
just
too
don't
much.
know.
I put too much things in. I eat too much. Too much gene. We didn't mix these bottles. We didn't shake them up before use.
My ball sack is going
I should
crazy
put
right
white a semi at the store.
now. It looks the same.
You know what's suck right now? I shake these and they explode.
I hope not. I swear, it's not very vibrant, but
Creamy
whatever.
orange.
It is creamy.
It is creamy.
I see some yellow patches and they're still not mixed.
It's the creme.
Shut up.
It's the creme.
You're judging me?
No.
Really?
I was trying to help.
All right. The paint got boring.
But now the real question is...
Cat cam.
Should give 0 fucks.
Too much.
So the thing,
I'm just gonna use that. Yeah, we're just gonna see how it turns out.
The thing I don't understand is... I don't know if I start pouring them together if it's gonna layer, or if they're just gonna sink into each other.
I don't know. Never seen
Right.
this stuff.
That's why I
I've
wanted
never
to do-
seen this. You guys were all
Do
talking
I
about a
risk it
TikTok.
for the biscuit?
That's why I wanted to do with this thing.
You guys were all talking about TikToks, and I was like, I watched the TikTok, but I've never seen this.
What was the point of mutilating this cup?
So she could do what she's about to do.
Look!
Oh, you're gonna pile them up?
Yes!
I just looked at Jordan's brain process and go, that's genius.
That might be a good idea.
Okay, might be.
I might wait and see if she messes hers up and then go.
I'm excited, I'm almost done. I don't know how much to mix this because it's white with white.
The big ones we got are a 5.
Did we turn off the stove?
Yeah, I turned it off.
Okay.
As long as one of you, there's 2 cups stacked on top of each other, Jordan. Please don't ruin both cups at once.
Can't run both cups at the same time.
That's such an on-brand thing for him.
What?
Just that.
What, ruining things?
No!
Guys! Don't talk about me like I'm not right here.
Okay. I'm scared.
Give me a little bit of this floatant.
Put the floated in.
Just a little bit. Ooh, that's a lot.
It kind of just like gushes out.
Big.
It went glug. What?
I'm gonna cut another cup. Is that okay?
Yeah, I don't care. They're just plastic cups.
I need a smaller one. Oh shit. It didn't cut right. Ugh. I'm a failure.
What? You got the bottom off of it?
Okay, I'm gonna start. Okay. I'm sorry for my breathing, I'm nervous.
Ow.
Did you cut
Don't hurt
yourself?
yourself.
It's leaking.
Eking.
Black?
No.
More white.
More black, yes. Okay, I'm gonna let go.
Okay.
Do we have a cup to pour it in?
I just grabbed a bunch of these.
Okay, I need one, please. I don't wanna wait, no, a big one. A big one for the mistakes. I don't know, but they're gonna bleed today.
Okay, go.
Ooh, it's selling.
Yeah, go.
Shit. Where do I put it? Shit.
I said you could fuck up the table.
Ooh, look, it's popping.
Did it work?
I need to spread it out first. I don't think it's right.
Yeah, the last bit of black is a mistake.
Yeah.
It's a lot of
But
black.
it's acting like it's together. Maybe I didn't thin it out enough.
Maybe not. Fuck.
Maybe it needs to be 3 parts. Let me spread it out and
the way,
see what
Nicole, here you
happens. Yeah, I put in a lot of black. Fuck, I'm a failure!
No comment.
Okay, well, let's see yours then.
I'm gonna put in some of this.
That's fine.
Yeah. Got all the blue.
All right, Jordan, I'll take this away from you because Nicole back to do thing.
Oh, it's not thin enough.
Wow, I'm a shitty cameraman the way I'm holding this.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh my.
Yeah, better, isn't it?
I'm gonna torch it.
Hey, Jordan, you like the way I do tripoding?
You hold it over the table like that? Yeah.
No.
Oh, with your penis?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good with your penis. I layered everything in a cup. And now the cup's gonna sit here for a few seconds. And we're gonna wait for all the paint to flow to the bottom.
Yeah, not good. I think I should try again on the same canvas.
It's interesting.
Up. Okay.
Panic mode.
Looks good.
Panic.
This came out good.
Oh, panic real hard. Panic extremely hard. Oh,
Try
it's
not
all
to
over
lose
me.
it.
And he's gotten it all over
yours is
himself.
nice
All
and
over me.
thin.
It's all over me.
It's all
It's
over
all
him.
over the place.
And it's all over the table.
Oh shit.
It's all over him.
Oh my god.
Yours is nice.
No, that corner, bitch. Get around that corner. Ooh. Taste it all up in my... I feel it in my jellies. Ooh, what's in my jellies? I'm gonna flow back that way a little bit, bitch. Yeah.
Doing it.
Let me go that way a little bit.
That little yellow in the corner
I see
does
people
wonders.
in videos painting the edges so that you don't lose the colors, but they go down.
Well,
Ooh, shit.
Jordan's kind of caked in the paint.
I am. I'm a little bit caked. I don't know what to do with it.
Hold on.
It's dripping all over me.
Put it on the table. There's painter's tape on the back. There you go. Look at that.
I'm gonna just let that be it. Ooh, that was cool. Did you see that, people?
Did you use the one I cut for you, or did you not?
No, I saw that people were wearing gloves when doing this, and I remembered we have gloves. You getting it?
Doing it to him.
You doing it to him?
It said, keep away from flames.
Okay.
May be fatal if inhaling intentionally. Is it smoking? No. More fire!
Look at how beautiful it is.
I think I'm gonna stop here.
I'm gonna get some more of this flow stuff.
Your
How's
flow.
Jordan doing?
How's
I'm mixing up more
did you guys run out of flow?
paint.
You guys gonna run out of flow?
We're probably gonna run out of flow before we run out of paint.
So this is a great green like I thought it would be.
Yeah, I can see that.
I knew it would be poopy.
We'll find out. It's a big bug. Are you doing a big one already?
Yes.
Okay, hang on. All right, everybody.
He's done it to him.
You're going back up in my penis.
I should have took your jacket off. I'm sorry.
You fucked it.
I fucked it up real good.
Fucked it.
I didn't do that.
Oh, we got it that time.
idea.
But you fucked the other one.
I did. I fucked that one hard.
You're doing
But I learned my
cups?
lesson. I learned my lesson. That's why I got this one better.
You're doing 2 cups?
Yeah, I'm about to wash one so you can use it.
Oh, shit.
All right, pick him up. Watch him explode.
Don't be nervous.
Explodes.
Oh my god.
That one's going off the table.
Black and yellow.
That one immediately went off the table.
Immediately. Ah, fucking pick it up. It's covered in paint. Shit.
It's immediately off the table. It does look cool though. That looks like a cat until now it's warped out.
Black and yellow,
Make sure you keep some on the canvas to spread.
Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. It's hard.
Come on, you gotta get the corner. Go down.
He needs to get all the corners. No.
It's hard. I'm trying to get this side still.
Yeah, back to this precision because I can see everything. There you go.
Touch it with your fingers in the corner so it spreads.
What?
Use your hands
like
to
that.
spread it. Yes, like that.
That's what masters do.
It's master of the pussy.
I don't
Show
think
your
it's
master of the
doing
pussy.
I'm not master of the pussy.
Not pussy, it's pussy.
Pussy.
You need to figure out what the difference is between pussy and pussy.
Whoa. Ooh.
That looked really good. Now just sit it down. You're done. You're done with that kind of one. Now take some of the extra on the table and put it in the corner.
There's bubbles. Yeah, let me just.
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna pour.
Back in. I'll be honest, that blue and that green you made really would actually work together.
What do you mean?
The blue would work well with it, but the green does not. The green did not work well with the orange.
Oh, okay.
You want to use the green, the black, and the blue. And then throw a dash of yellow in there.
But the green looks
Well, that's your call.
poopy.
If it looks poopy, then don't use it.
Poopy.
It does look like diarrhea.
Okay, well then skip the green and go with something else.
I don't want to do the same colors as him.
Okay, well then go ahead and slap some green in there then.
I didn't use
Okay.
red.
Why
Hey, you
not?
didn't use red.
Why
You
not?
haven't used red at all. At work, love it because I had to touch things. I haven't had to touch things. Also, the cup is moving.
Yep. Yep.
Oh no!
The cup started moving down the canvas.
Please hold it. It's a
Hey, you got
poopy
purple. You got purple. Pour that. That looks good.
Oh, I'm so scared.
Yank it up.
Big cup.
Yank it up, it's
going.
moving.
It's going.
Shit.
You lost all your paint.
You've lost it. Just pick it up.
I know, but I didn't want it
You've got it. You're good.
like that.
You're good. We've got the moon!
Scrape tool. Not yet, though.
Okay.
I'm gonna tilt it up like this.
Don't worry about it. I got it. I got this.
I'm sorry about the light, people. We were cooking all day.
I got it right above where my testicles connect to my body.
The taint.
No, above where the penis goes. Whatever the part above your penis is,
Oh, it looks poopy.
it doesn't look poopy. Just keep going.
It looks poopy in the corner.
It doesn't. It looks fine. Go, 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 go. Oh, it looks good.
You're dripping paint everywhere.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
It looks good. Don't say it don't look good. It looks good.
Right in the poopy area?
Ooh, fancy.
I don't know if I wanted to do that.
Well, too late now.
It is a bit late now. I like the blue in yours a lot.
Actually, the scrape looks real good.
I'm wondering if I want to scrape the whole thing.
It looks good.
Should I combine the rest of my stuff and pour it on? You ready? I'm not.
You get ready. Quite early. There he goes.
There you go.
Bring it around town. There's a bubble.
I'm bringing it around town.
There's a bowl. There's a bunch of bubbles.
Yeah, I know.
Oh yeah. There's some good stuff. Oh yeah. There you go. Fire! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, what you doing in here?
Oh, yeah, I'm just taking it off.
Taking what off? Oh, our artwork.
Oh, shit, it's still wet.
Is it?
Yours is.
Oh, great. So this is the follow-up. It's been 3 days, I believe, since we did these. We ignored one thing that we were supposed to do, which was to keep them in an environment that doesn't get too hot, I'm pretty sure. I put them in the attic here because I thought it was going to be pretty cool for the next few days. I was wrong. It got hot one day. So, mine's fucked up. Let me see if I can get in here so you can see. There's cracks all in it. So,
Can I see in the center
like
there?
right there, yeah. Mine's kind of fucked up. But Nicole's turned out nice with your
Take
orange
them
one.
out into a better lighting area.
My little one looks pretty nice, I think. It's kind of bland in color, if I do say so.
It's just covering now.
But you know, I don't even know what I was doing. The cells turned out okay, I think. I got spots, little spots of yellow in there. It's not horrible. This corner kind of bothers me a little bit.
There's this one. It's my little one. My little first one.
Ooh, very nice, yeah.
You almost dropped.
See all the corners. Yes, yes.
Yes, bitch.
And then, let's see Jordan's in the light.
Yeah, double check mine for all these lovely cracks all up in here. It's just like mainly it's the white, I think, that broke apart. This one doesn't seem to be as bad. I think there's a little bit of tearing like right here, if it focuses, but not too bad.
And then my big one.
Which, as far as I can tell, doesn't have any cracks and is nicely preserved and all that shit. So like, fuck you.
Really like it.
I definitely like this corner right here is my favorite part. Yes.
So if we get the cancers, it was worth it.
So if we get cancer, it was worth it. I don't think we're gonna get cancer.
So if you want to buy it, it's going to be on eBay.
Are you selling them? You decide you want to?
I mean, that was the point, right?
I don't know. I just did it because that'd be fun.
What are we going to do with it? We can always make more. It's just a pour, right?
Yeah.
So.
We need to make a store for those.
Easy fun art project.
It's the virgin pour.
We need to make a store for those because I've got stuff I want to make too. It's not painting, but
make an Etsy.
you can hear it in that video. You can hear it in this video. I want to make clothes. I want to make clothes, so we need a Powered by Stupid store.
Okay, can do.
I want a stupid shirt.
I want a stupid
shirt.
Thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked the video, subscribe. We're gonna do more art eventually, I guess.
Yeah.
I don't know if you'll see it, but yeah.